वेतन कराराचेर स्वाक्षरी केल्या उपरांत गोवा शिपयार्ड कंपनीच्या वेवस्थापनान सगळ्या कामगारांकडल्यान एग्रीमेंट बरोवन घेवपाक सुरवात केल्या। हाका लागून कामगारांमदीं निराशेचें वातावरण पसरलां। वेवस्थापनेन कामगारां आड चलयल्ल्या धोरणाचो कामगारांनी निशेध केला। RDX गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
The wages which a new worker gets in Goa shipyard is around 11,000 only, which is below the minimum wages. So what the workers are demanding now, this meeting is regarding the wage revision that is due in Goa Shipyard Limited. What we find is that the management of shipyard is through back doors trying to enforce a very low wage rise on the workers. What the workers are demanding is a fair wage rise. What is the demand of the workers? Workers are demanding that the minimum wage should be 21,000 rupees as fixed by the central government for the government employees and public sector undertakings. Recently, shipyard increased the wages of officers. Officers have been given a wage rise of 40%, whereas low wage employees are being asked to take only 26% wage rise. So this type of unfair, discriminatory approach is not acceptable to the workers, and workers are very much agitated over it. That's why they have all gathered here to discuss, because recently we found that the management has called two minority unions, and without signing a MOU and without showing that MOU to the workers, they are taking undertakings from the workers, saying that forcibly trying to take the undertaking that they are ready for whatever has been signed by the minority unions without showing them what has been agreed by them.